There's no competition for PowerFlow 8 because no one wants to spend the time to refine these this much. It doesn't matter whether it's a wedding or whether I'm doing landscapes or whether I'm doing the street. If I'm doing a project, I need to know that I can get it done effectively. Good morning, I got up early, I'm down by the lake. Today's the day, it's PowerFlow 8 day. I've been working hard on this to do something that is just completely back to the drawing board, simple, effective, and it's gonna save us tons of time. It's gonna give us our life back. We're in a day in photography where everything from the AI to the megapixel counts on the latest marketing on phones they're selling us is just fake. I said, what do we lack most as photographers? What's killing us? And that's time. I see people just struggling and like wading through this editing, and what we need is to stop stressing. We need to be more creative, and to do that, we need less over here. I can do black and white looks and film looks. I can go to Photoshop. I can go to Capture One. I can go to Lightroom. I said the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna edit a session in 5 minutes. We're gonna make a toolkit that lets us edit our sessions in 5 minutes. In the new PowerFlow, I'm really excited to introduce universal recipes. That is preset styles, LUTs, whatever app you wanna use them in, but most importantly, for whatever style, whatever camera, whatever file you're using, it's taken years of refinement to be able to nuance this much. You never edit like this manually. This is why I've always said you always use presets, you always use an action, you always have a workflow. Presets, workflow, words that in this internet marketing age, we fall asleep. We don't even want to hear them because we're so inundated with nonsense. So I said, nope, we're gonna concentrate, we're gonna focus. You're gonna come in from a session, maybe you're tired, maybe you wanna go to bed, maybe you need to get it out the door. You start with a batch tool and you can select kind of the theme or the baseline that you want, but they're all gonna work because they're universal recipes. Number two, you come back and now you can break them down into some subgroups. Maybe you have some here that are by the lake, you have some here that are reception, you have some landscapes over here, you have some street over here. You can break down those subgroups and do some more creative tools. You can come into the Hollywood tools and get some more creative color and some nuance in the shadows. Number three, you can finalize with the magic fixers. These work in situations that often come up as professional photographers. Maybe you had harsh sun, maybe you had kind of boring light, but you had to get the shot. And that's what PowerFlow was always built around. And we've come back to the absolute basics in the most refined PowerFlow ever. Then you have the mods, you have some AI tools, but really made to work on any image, some speed masking. You have the mod kit if you want to go a little further, universal mod presets that you can stack on top of any presets. In 5 minutes, I can have the editing done for that session so it looks good, and that's a powerful thing. It's gonna give your time back, and if it doesn't, I'll give your money back. I'm Gavin Seim, and this is PowerFlow 8.